Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro R Desert Runner fixed tire carrier. This carrier fits the 2024 Plus Polaris RZR Pro R, all models. Install time is under 45 minutes to an hour. Can be installed by yourself but is easier with a friend. With a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by removing the two factory T50 Torx bolts, shown here. Next, remove the factory 16mm frame bolt on each side of the vehicle, install the side panel mounting bracket on the frame, as shown here, and reinstall the factory frame bolts. Now, grab the side panel, and hold it up to the frame mount, aligning the holes and thread in the supplied 6mm Allen bolts, finger tight. Do not tighten at this time. Now, repeat this step to the other side of the vehicle. Then, reinstall the two factory T50 Torx bolts, as you see here, but do not tighten at this time. Next, grab the rear carrier brace, and hold it up in place, as you see here. Align the holes and thread in the two supplied 6mm Allen bolts on each side. If needed, it may help to use a drift pin to quickly align the holes. Now, grab the front carrier brace, set it in place, as you see here, and thread in the two supplied 5mm Allen bolts, one on each side of the carrier. Next, grab the cross brace, hold it up in place, between the front and rear brace, and thread in the four supplied 5mm Allen bolts, then tighten them down. Now, go back, and make sure everything is lined up, and then you can tighten down all the hardware. Next, If you are installing lights, install the lights first on this lighting plate, which offers many different installation points. Then, using the supplied 4-5mm Allen bolts, thread them into the light plate finger tight, and go back and tighten them down. Next, grab your tire, and set it up on the fixed carrier, aligning the center of the hub, with the mounting point on the carrier. Now, set the rubber wedge into the center of the wheel hub, slide in the threaded handle, as shown here, and tighten down. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro R Desert Runner fixed tire carrier install. This Desert Runner fixed tire carrier is engineered for serious riders who demand secure and efficient spare tire storage without compromising performance. Designed for desert riders and long-distance adventurers, this carrier mounts directly to fixed chassis points, providing a solid, reliable anchoring system capable of handling the weight of your spare tire under the toughest conditions. Positioning the spare tire further back helps level and distribute weight across the chassis, improving handling and stability. Unlike other carriers that interfere with cargo space, the fixed mount design maintains full access to the OEM storage box, maximizing storage capacity. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.